This is how to relight video clips in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click and select and highlight your video clip as highlighted and scroll to the right. See the option Relight next to Overlay and Remove BG. Pro feature, but in this case we're going to be clicking the second option which says and next to Creative and Facial. Click whatever option you want, but I want to mess with the third option, Backlight. Click the checkmark icon and notice we have a different look or an effect in Capcut Mobile. It's applying the effect for free. Or should I say this is the before, this is the after.